Okay, YouTube, this is a John Deere front end loader 310D, and the problem you have with the grease fittings, right here is where you put your grease in, and it goes through inside that pin and comes up and squirts into each side here. It lubes this, and this is something you need to lube quite a bit, pretty regularly, because it will eat out the side. Now you can see where the grease comes out there. Okay. Over on the other one here, here's another one. You can see the grease squirting out the red. And what that pin is, it's got a hole that goes into the pin or into the shaft on this one. The hole goes through this part. On this one it feeds from the end. On the other end it's got a hole there for it. It squirts down the center of the pin, comes up in the middle. There's a right angle hole that comes up in the center. And this shaft, the hole goes all the way through and then squirts on that pin that rotates in there, or is in there. And this one I took out. And what I was going to do is clean the hole out because we couldn't get grease in it. Now, there is a tool that you can try, and this is called Grease Fitting Cleaning Tool. And what that is you fill it full of, trying to hold this with one hand and film. You fill this thing full of, I can't remember what I fill it with. I think it's Marble Mystery Oil or whatever. And in the end of it there, it goes over the fitting. And then when you fill it up, let me see if I can work this two hands. There's a piston in it. And you fill the inside full of the liquids, pop it over the grease fitting. Then you take a hammer and hit the end of it and drive that in there under force. Okay, that's one thing that I did, if you want to do that. Okay, I'll show you the other part.